What's cracking, everyone? My name is Ryan, and today I will not be talking to you about a headphone, IM, amp, or any other type of audio gear. However, the product I am going to discuss still plays a vital role in either your listening room, gaming room, or studio, such as the room that I'm in now. What I'm referring to is this. The Flexispot E6 Max Dual Motor 3 Stages Standing Desk. And please don't ask me to repeat that. That's what the reverse button is for. Now, I've been asked by Flexispot to give my thoughts and opinions on this new standing desk from their vast assortment that can be found online at Amazon. At this time, I would like to send a huge thank you to Flexispot for providing the E6 in exchange for those thoughts and opinions. A fun fact for all of you to know is that my other desk that you may or may not have noticed all of my previous videos shot with was also a Flexispot EC1 standing desk. Ironically, Flexispot had no idea, and to be honest, neither did I, as I bought the original desk simply based on price and features and not by the brand name itself. Once I discovered that fun little fact, there was no way I was going to turn down the opportunity to review the E6 as I was in the market for a second desk to expand my very small but functional studio and house. I honestly just come here to hide from my kids, so shh. Dad's recording! So the E6 Max Dual can retail in from a low of $299 all the way up to over $500 depending on the size and colors that you choose. For this video, I'll be discussing this particular desk, which retails in for $460, but currently is on sale for under $350. The features and benefits for this desk are as follows. First, the desktop is made up of bamboo, making it very environmentally friendly. It utilizes eco-friendly adhesive in its construction and is free from formaldehyde. Bamboo is known for being a harder and more robust wood, which provides ample strength. See the audio reference I made there? The bamboo is also said to undergo meticulous design and drying process that eliminates worries of mold to develop. Good thing. Second would be the stability of the desk in itself. This desk is said to hold up to 350 pounds of weight, so think lots of big boy desktop amps, computers, or even your wife and kids, though that does not quite weigh 350 pounds, or else I'd be sleeping on this thing for the next probably 2 weeks. It's also pretty cost conscious compared to other standing desks that I have searched for on the internet. And this is actually a big and major plus. You will get a long-term warranty of up to 15 years. I mean, that is fantastic in my opinion. That will cover the desk frame and motor, which are the two most important factors to last on the desk. The control panel and electronics are backed by a 2-year warranty. Still pretty darn good in my opinion. So as I said, this is a 3-stage desk, so that means it will adjust from a low of 24.4 inches to a high of 50 inches. That's going to accommodate adults and kids from all the way up to 6 feet 5 inches tall. There's also a control panel included that has memory settings for the height adjustments, and the dual motor system is said to be less than 50 dB of noise when operating the desk. A couple of important things to note when you receive a Flexispot desk. One, it will come in 2 separate boxes that may even arrive at separate times. For instance, my frame arrived a day before the desktop did. The second point is you need to make sure you build the desk in the location or close enough to it that it's going to be placed. My studio room is upstairs, so I would highly recommend not building this and trying to lift it up some stairs as it's pretty heavy once constructed. As for the build itself, I didn't really have any major issues to speak of. The instruction booklet was well illustrated and laid out clearly, so I knew what tools to have handy. It does recommend to have 2 people. However, I built this myself without any issues, and I'm not exactly Tim the Toolman Taylor or Bob the Builder, or I'm not the handiest at being handy. Also, there are some pre-drilled holes on the desk for when you need to use the wood screws, so just be cautious not to drill anything uneven or you could damage the wood. And no, I did not damage a thing, nor did I even use a drill that was suggested to have. I did have my wife help me flip the desk over on its feet once I was finished, since I did utilize the included caster feet. I love being able to slide this around the room without any issues. In total, the build took me less than 2 hours by myself, so not too shabby. Quality-wise, I found no scuffs or marks on the wood desk, and it came packed very well and secure. The frame did have a few scuffs on it, but nothing that made me worried or felt like it was damaged in any way. I do have a little tip in that when you're attaching to the power box to the underside of the table, it does advise you to drill screws, and these are not pre-drilled holes. This is so you can choose the spot you want. However, I happen to have some double-sided thick tape that I use for cable management, and it worked very well to mount the box so I can later move it should I need to. You're also given options to mount the control box on either side of the table, and all of the hardware included was all I needed to complete the build, outside of a Phillips screwdriver and some muscle. So, like we used to hear as kids, if I can do it. Oh, and I should also mention that you are given some extra cable management accessories that do allow you to snug up your cables to the table frame so that they don't dangle down in any way. It keeps things nice and tidy and heighty. Just make sure to leave enough slack in the power cable for raising and lowering the table. You're welcome. Now, putting this table to use was no problem at all. My first few tests were simply to see how quickly the table could raise up and lower down. I also wanted to test out the friction, and there are even settings for the control panel to tighten or loosen up the sensitivity for this. Setting the presets was also a breeze, and I have this set exactly how I want to use it for studio use. For instance, I have the sit preset for when I'm, sitting down and talking to all of you. Then I have the stand setting for when I'm, standing up and talking to all of you. But then I even set a couple of more presets for heights when I record some of my magical B-roll of product shots you've seen on the channel. Honestly, I love it. It's fluid and not too noisy. My desk, not my B-roll. I know this because I even took a decibel meter to test the noise, and it did not ever go above 45 decibels. I also measured the height of the desk to match the height shown on the control panel, and yes, it is very accurate. You only need to account for whether or not you use the casters because they will add about 2 more inches to the height. The only feature that I really couldn't test to the fullest was the stability with different weights. Again, I used the wife and kids, if that matters at all, and the desk never broke a sweat when holding up a little bit more weight. I did only have one issue during all of my testing with this desk, and that was getting an error message on the panel. Now, this is something that is in the troubleshooting section of the manual, just in case you encountered this, and it even tells you exactly what to do. Basically, you need to wait 18 minutes for it to reset. I'm pretty positive this error message only occurred because I was testing out so many different heights in a very short time span. So I honestly believe this was just the motor protecting itself, but I can't state that as fact. I have not encountered this at any other time since, so there is that. As for the positives, it's sturdy, it's versatile, it's, in my opinion, a striking looking desktop with the mahogany and gives off an excellent look for some of my B-roll shots. It would also make a striking appearance for Zoom meetings, streams, and videos, like this one. Just agree with me. I should also mention that my previous Flexispot desk is going very strong after 3 years of use, and that is encouraging now that I can utilize both in the studio. All right, guys, that wraps up my thoughts on the wonderful E6 standing desk from Flexispot. I would like to thank each and every one of you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one, whether I'm sitting or standing.